Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here, Mama Blue Shirt. But today's an exciting day. This will be the first time that Mama's been out since she had her little accident.
For a long ride.
For a long ride. She was out for a little ride just to see what it felt like.
I'm gonna go out on my bike ride. It's Friday and I wiped out Tuesday, so that means I took off Wednesday and Thursday. I can feel some pain in this leg, but I feel a lot of the pain around where it's scabbing over, so I still want to go. So.
And she won't let me go with her.
Because it's hot. You already went out this morning, so you don't have to go in the heat. I don't mind the heat. Here we go.
Make sure you test your brakes. I almost come looking for you.
I walked down both big hills.
Yeah.
About 5 miles.
So what do you think?
I'm sore some, but I think if I just go like skip tomorrow and go Sunday, I'll feel better. I just have to get out and do something.
No more.
No, there's a storm a brewing, don't you know? Here, let me get this veil off. There we go. I hate bugs.
Bugs.
Lots of flies right now.
Yep, I was watching you and you weren't moving. I said, I don't know.
Was it when I was walking?
Yeah, I was headed to the garage to get my bike.
Yeah, it's when I was walking. Yep. I had to walk down the hills because we had a backhoe come down today to fix some things, and he got a lot of loose gravel, a lot more than when I went before. And I'm a little nervous.
Wonder why? Wonder why you're nervous.
Because it hurts. Yeah.
Especially when you fall, huh?
Yeah.
But this will be the first time she's going on a big ride, so we'll see how that goes. You can see she's all dressed up in her winter stuff again.
Yeah, it's cold out here.
It's 61 out here, so that's really cold, you know.
Yeah, it's cold. Bird.
So we're gonna go out there and we're gonna see how it goes this morning.
I'm going at least 8 miles.
I want to go 8 miles.
If I can go further, I'm going to go further.
And I'm gonna go
16?
16 probably.
Or 17.
Something like that.
Something like that.
So we'll see how it goes. There's where we're starting. Add 7,000 on it. You ready to roll, Ma?
3,519 miles, y'all.
2,812.
So who's slacking here?
Okay.
Here we go. A little bit cool out here today. We're on a bike. Mama washed my shirt last night and didn't get dry all the way, so it's a little cool. So I'm wishing I had her little insulators on. But as I ride, it'll dry. We're kind of down in a valley, so it's always a little cooler down here anyways. Ooh, a turtle. Turtle in the driveway. Wow, there's another one. Look at that one. He's the big one. He's the big one over there. Big one, little one. Did you see the turtle?
Yeah, he's tiny, teeny.
Did you see the big turtle?
No.
There's a big turtle right in the weeds by the angel. About that big.
Nope, didn't
Walking through there. Alrighty, yeah.
Okay. Well, you gotta go first.
What's in your back pocket? It makes it look like you got A big old
I want.
growth.
That's in case the bugs are bad. I was gonna put
I
it
am.
on.
Hey, buddy. How you doing, buddy? How you doing, Ma? Yeah, I would say if you fall, of course the most important thing is to get healed up enough so you can ride again, and then try to get back out there, get your confidence up again. Otherwise, you can get to the point where you be so fearful that you wouldn't go no more.
Never again.
And every time I fell, I went back out the next day because I wanted to be sure. I did my face planted. The next day, I drove 30 miles in the woods. So you got to get back out there. It's like when you fall off the horse, you got to get back up again.
Take that horse and put it back under that idiot.
And of course, it's a little bit more intense when you fall on your knee because that's what drives the bike, you know. So that can be very painful. Versus if you do a face plant, you know, it's painful on your face, but it's not when you're riding every time. Yeah, a couple of days ago, she rode 5 miles, and then today it'll be 8 miles. So she's trying to build up again. Don't want to overdo it. Don't want to overdo it. Well, going through my tree tunnel. And well, it's probably one of my favorite words, huh? Oh well, there I go again. Well.
Well, I'm sorry. Hey!
I have a thing where I have to say well 82 times a day, and I got to get in as fast as possible. Oh, it sure is beautiful through here. A little cool this morning, though. Sure is nice, though. Woo, there's a blast of cold air down in this valley. Wow, probably 10 degrees difference. Well, they did some work on the road here. Well, let's see what my dogs do today. Used to be like 3 or 4 dogs up here. Now there's like 6 or 8 that had puppies. Now they're teaching the other ones how to chase after cars and bicycles. Might be a little light. too late. I'm already past. With a hub motor, you can go home without a chain, but with a mid-dry, you're dead in the water. Of course, average person probably never break a chain, but never happened. I could go home on throttle, at least until I ran out. You put it on 1 or 2, you'd go a long ways on throttle. Yeah, we come down here the other day to get some plants down here from the Amish, and have to replace some of my own that I grew, and the stupid raccoons, they dug it up. Almost make a grown man cry. But hopefully I can get that under control. Got some box traps out so I can catch them and relocate them. Oh, they need to come through and mow this area. It's kind of hard when you meet cars. So far I haven't met none today though, but if you've watched my channel, you know I'm allergic to chiggers. And so in the summertime I kind of stay away from the weedy areas and stuff. And if I think I'm in an area that I haven't been before, into the house to take a shower. It's either that or spend a month in intense pain. So in the summertime I take a lot of showers. A lot of showers. It's actually turned out to be pretty nice out here. I've warmed up into my shirt. My shirt is pretty much dried out now, I think. Yeah, I got corn corn planted over there. Had the corn almost right to the road. I bet you they were happy with the rain. Well, I turned down this road and said road closed. My curiosity got the best of me. So hopefully it doesn't come back and bite me. That's for sale. Oh, I got a regular thing going there. Hopefully I don't have to turn around and come back and worry about not having enough battery. Well, I may have outthought myself. I might not be able to get through up here. We shall see. Thought there's a road just beyond that. I thought I could get up to that, but it looks like they're doing a bridge, so I probably won't be able to get through. Now I can't get through, so hopefully I didn't have to shoot myself in the foot here. Not have enough to get home. I'm at 12.2 right now. We shall see. Well, they say curiosity killed the cat. That's not a skunk. Curiosity killed the cat, but I'm not too concerned about the cat at this point. I'm more concerned about me. Well, we'll see. It had to be a couple miles out of the way at least. A couple miles at least. Up on the way back. Well, I'm back to where I started. See how this goes. Most of the time, this dog can't catch you if you're riding. Well, top of this hill, the highway will turn, so hopefully I went back 2 bars here, so I'm probably being concerned for nothing. But I've had my batteries show 2 bars and then just die. So I'd rather limp along on passive assist number 4 versus having to go out and trying to ride when I'm tired with no battery. Yeah. But hopefully we'll make it. Got a little range anxiety going on here. Well, I am off the highway now, so I'm back up to 5. I'm probably a mile and a half from the house, so got one more hill to go up, then I could coast there. Then I could coast if I had to. Abby girl wanted to run. Abby girl.
Look at the camera.
Hey. Hi. Yeah. Oh, well, I made her back. 21 miles exactly. Still have 2 bars, so I probably would have made it no problem, but I always feel good when I get to that hill. Because once I get to the top of that hill, I could coast home if I had to, because it's downhill all the way. And there you have it. 21 miles. And 373, so I had 7,000 on there. Well, and I noticed that Mama was home, so everything's okay there. So hopefully she had a good time, and she'll be able to keep adding on to that. Alrighty, this is Pop Blue Shirt. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.